said it's impossible. They built the hurdles, the walls, and the obstacles. When we're together, you know we're unstoppable now. I'm not afraid to tear it down and start it over again. It's not a thing. We can better renegades. I'm here for you. You hold it down. Let's start again. We can better renegades. I'm not They've been holding us down. They've been telling us to change our voices.
Loving can hurt. I wanna follow where she
In the night I lie and look up at you.
Oh baby, you should go and love yourself. I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling.
I'm way too good at goodbye.
When I see your face, I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the
If we only had 24 hours, would you spend the end of the world with me? I'll take my last breath, wrapped in your arms, yeah. If we only had 24 hours, would you spend the end of the world with me? Would you spend the end of the world with me?
I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet's never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in peace.